And the next question is, on coming out of a dark room, why do we feel blinded? Now, this is an important observation that when a person moves from a dark room to a brightly lit room, the eyes experience a sudden dazzling effect. This is due to a phenomena called light adaptation. What happens is the pupils constrict or get narrower, reducing the amount of light entering the eyes. Also, the visual purple of the rods gets bleached, thereby reducing its sensitivity. Therefore, the eyelids close and less light enters the eyes, but after some time, this gets reversed and the eyes come back to the normal. Hence, this is because of a phenomena called light adaptation.